What's up? How to transfer phone history to a new phone. Here's my old phone on the left. I'm going to transfer it to the phone on the right, all the chat history. So on the old phone, you want to click on the three dots, go to settings, and then click on chats. Now you want to scroll down and then click on transfer chats. And then click on start. Wait for this to load. Okay, now on the new phone, you want to set up WhatsApp, click on agree and continue. You want to type in the phone number of the previous phone, so this phone that you want to transfer chats from into here. I'm going to type in the phone number now. I typed in the phone number and I'm going to click on next now. Let's wait for this, it's connecting. And then click on yes again. I'm just hiding the phone number because I don't want you to see it. Okay, and now you want to type in the code that's showing on the old phone. Now you want to click on continue. And then it's going to be saying transfer chat history and then click on continue. Now I don't want to do this myself because I want to keep the chats on this phone. But in your case, you want to click on continue, follow through all the steps, and then that's how you do it.